Good morning, everybody.
Hey, how are you doing?
Another day in paradise, sir. Another day in paradise. Can't complain here. Well, we could complain, but we don't complain. That's the
Totally.
method to the madness. We don't complain. Alrighty. Well, how's your day going so far, sir?
Good. I have a scheduling conflict for tonight, but I need to I need to attend the training more than my son's concert. So, oh, we're having a concert on Thursday. Like what?
Well, we could take a poll because I'm ready to do it whenever you guys are. So if tonight's not a good night, we can push it for tomorrow, or we do something like early tomorrow, like right after the stream, just for the community.
Yeah, I just don't want to be selfish. You know what I mean? Like,
No, but honestly, for me personally, as a man with kids as well, we're not trying to miss our kids' concerts. Like, just being real.
I know, and he is like in a high school jazz band now. So actually, it's like good music. You're not just hearing.
It's nothing with the little flutes, the
Yeah.
plastic flutes playing.
Oh, McDonald had a yay!
Woody, good morning, sir. Good morning.
Well, that's the case, and I appreciate it. It'd probably be better, during the day, like is when I have more availability with the children sometimes.
Okay.
You know?
Well, what we'll do then, we'll have a training right after the stream tomorrow.
Okay,
So as soon as
perfect.
we
Thank
finish at 11, right around there, so the market's still moving and everything as well.
you.
Then
That's
we'll just
cool, 'cause, I mean, that'd be amazing because you can also kind of like reflect on how like the trades of the day and all that. So
yeah.
I'm humbled. I'm sincerely humbled. I mean it. I appreciate it so much.
No, you're a day one, Steve. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make sure you're good. Gotta make sure you're good. Let me
Well,
see.
I mean, I feel like I just feel like I need that skill because I call out the flags, you hear me and stuff, but I just feel like I need to master that entry point
Yeah.
more than the exit point because it's just like that's the proof is in the pudding. You know what I mean?
That I do know what you mean.
Now we did have news at 8:30, and I did take one trade.
Okay.
Just to kind of test it out as green, just to but I just I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready.
We're all ready to rock today. We're all ready to roll. I'm feeling good today. Not gonna lie to you guys. We've been having some amazing streams this week, so I'm super thankful for that. And the community's growing, the channel's growing, so we're just leveling up across the board here. Woody's ready to rock and roll as well. We'll take
Woody's
it, sir.
always
We'll
ready.
take it. Yeah, I'm just honestly, I'm just trying to stay solid on the rule today. I gotta wait this first 15 minutes before I trade the funded accounts.
I tease you a lot, and I'm not gonna stop teasing you. But I mean, the thing is, like, I know the discipline because if you told anybody else what waiting 15 minutes, oh, no big deal. But I know like how to. It's kind of an amazing thing to have to actually put in practice sometimes.
Yeah, it's not easy too because when you see the wrinkle bars moving up and down real fast, it makes your heart start going, that adrenaline, like, ooh, I need to get in. But
Oh
we're
yeah,
trying to fight the FOMO. We're trying to fight the FOMO.
that's it. And that's like my biggest flaw. Because I'm always like trying to look, and that's like it's like I'm chasing it. You know what I mean? Like, and sometimes it's because of the latency. Like, God, there's sometimes where it's been like a 1 second thing, and I go to close it, and then it's already. But
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm dialed. I am dialed, fellas. They ain't gonna catch me slipping. I'm working on a payout for January 1st. You know.
I know you. As soon as you said that, I knew exactly why you were doing that.
Kick that can down the road till next year.
Exactly.
All right, let me jump on these charts here. See what we're looking like.
We're way above the VWAP.
We are above that VWAP. VWAP's all the way down there at 582.75. Honestly, I see like a slight bull flag on the 2-minute. And it looks like it's going to want to start, but we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Let me make sure all this stuff is crispy.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G. Good morning, sir. Are you ready to make some more money today?
Yes, I am.
Let's get it. Let's get it. I feel like this music's loud on mine. Let me check. Is the audio good for you guys?
Sounded good.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
I'm gonna pull it down just slightly for the stream.
Cash
Not for you guys,
money.
because you have a different audio source.
Cash money in the house.
But not trying to be like overly blaring music in people's ears today. Trying to be respectful.
I said cash money in the house.
And I'm gonna be. Oh, what did I just do? Uh-oh. Cancel. I don't know what that was. I was just trying to open a new tab and it did some weird thing on my Mac here.
Cash money is the Mac.
Fun fact for you guys to know, we just hit over 85,000 views on the channel. And we're just steady climbing here. Brett, good morning, sir. We got Brett in the chat from Canada. We're going to be vibing up today.
Hey, so are we gonna get those people that are doing the trader thing to subscribe so you're building your channel?
Oh, we've been building. Like, listen, we've been building.
More. I want more. Cash money, sucker.
We have been building. I'm not taking a trade till about 9:45 or a little bit after. One of my rules is on my funded accounts, I do not trade the first 15 minutes of the market open for the New York session.
And you were saying you're not even trading evals because it kind of sets a tone, right?
Yep. Because for me, right, if I trade an eval in that first 15 minutes and it goes well, that gets me excited, right? But if it goes bad in the eval during that first 15 minutes, it messes with the confidence. You know what I'm saying? So why play with your head prematurely? Let's let the market settle. Unless it's just an absolute straight waterfall or rocket ship.
Okay, well, 20 seconds until we find out.
Market's getting ready to open. Market's getting ready to open. Good morning, Dre.
All right.
Patiently waiting.
Anticipating.
Your boy wants to put some funds in 4 funded accounts today. So we're going to take our time. We're going to be smooth with it. No rush. But that pivot point's calling.
Where is the pivot, baby?
The pivot's below us down at 596. 596.
Oh, thank you for that.
Yes, sir. Because we got the VWAP below that as well. So I got a feeling that pivot's going to get touched. And like, see that was one of those moves. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what's so hard. It's like that's that move that that's a nice little.
I gotta tell you something. This guy that I know, he's got legacy wealth in his veins, and he says the market will always repeat itself.
Yes, but that was just like that was a gorgeous red candle right there. Brett made some money. I already know Brett made some money. He putting the emojis in the chat. So I already know he just made some money.
We all did. I hear G's counting his cash in front of him.
Yep, it's going down. Woo, 600. Not bad.
Woosah, Duane. Woosah.
I'm doing that. I know it's going through that.
Okay. I used to orb as well for the first 15 minutes. But I used to orb stacked on top of bull flags and the bear flags and momentum. So it's like a whole little melting pot of different things that I do all at once. You know what I'm saying? But whatever works. That's my favorite line. If it works, just keep on doing it. Do not recreate the wheel. If it's working.
Recreation.
Back through that pivot. Tap that VWAP. Well, almost tapped. There we go. Oh, that was like slightly off of it, actually. On this 5 minute, that was a good looking bear flag right there. You know, hindsight's always 20/20. You know what I'm saying? So you always see it after the fact.
Yep, that's true. There's a day that goes by, you look at the chart and it's like, why didn't I get in there and get out there?
Gotta love it. Good morning, sir. You sound like you're excited to trade today.
You said that just dropped, man. I should have taken it.
Listen, I was just talking about that.
I know. I heard Steve say it's not a day. I'm like, yeah, he's right. Just missed it. Should have taken it, but it's all right though.
All my accounts are green right now, but my main trading is going to be like after the 15.
Yeah. I'm just marking up still right now, so I'm not even ready.
He's got his, the pre-workouts in the next room. Alexa's on standby.
Yeah, Alexa's ready to make it.
For real. Yesterday.
Well, technically, you could have Alexa make it. You like put it in like a blender with the water and everything. Then you tell Alexa to turn on the blender. Then
you know what? That is a good idea.
Just saying.
Set it up like that.
Feed me the pre-workout.
I definitely can. Because as long as it's I put a smart switch on it, and as long as it's always on mode.
Yeah, you be set.
I can ask it set up. Oh man.
This thing's still coming down.
Come on down.
Oh Nelly. Oh Nelly.
How's Moose feeling about it?
Let me see. I gotta look at it. We're gonna come. I think we're gonna come down a little more. No, we'll eventually retrace this. It already hit the daily. See, it's coming up already. Hit the daily low yesterday. The close. Well, did it hit the close or hit the EMA? The daily EMA. It's a daily EMA.
Yeah, I'm trying to do everything in my power, not even to really focus on the Renko bars or anything like that right now, because man, oh man, your boy wants to jump in. But try to honor the rule the first 15 minutes.
Honor Duane.
above the VWAP, right?
Yes, currently we are.
Yeah. I don't know. Good morning. What's up?
He muted. I was getting ready to mute him, so we're not hearing his conversation on the stream here. So currently, right now, the YouTube channel is currently, we're in the top 1% for a channel my size currently. So we're in the top 1% for that because we keep growing like crazy, and we're performing as if we have 7,000 to 15,000 subscribers, and we don't even have 500 subs yet.
I mean, the main thing is, it's like, you know, it's because there's gonna be interaction here. People know a good thing when they see it, and when they see your haircut, they think of Moose.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't get better than this, boys. You know what I'm saying? Does not get better than this.
Absolutely not.
That beard didn't trim itself. You know what I'm saying?
The beard did not trim itself. You are correct on that. All right, looks like we're building. It looks can be deceiving sometimes. Just reject off that pivot right there.
Gonna climb back to the EMA. What can I say?
All right, I'm starting to feel better. I'm starting to feel better now. I don't feel like I'm missing out. Dre's up $5,000 for the day.
Who's up $5,000?
He's a trading machine, Dre.
Oh, Dre, nice.
Mr. Dre Dollar of 5Gs for the day. He's a wild man. He trades in the morning. He trades at night. He trades at lunch. He trades at dinner. He trades every single part of the day. He's trading.
Shit.
He's coming down Florida end of December.
Nice.
Look how the sellers just brought that down right there. That's a big old wick right there. So tons of selling pressure. Let's see how we.
I see that bear flag kind of forming in.
Yep.
Minute.
It needs a wait till 9:45. I need that bad boy a wait.
Yeah, you have four. You have 4 contracts today. I see.
Big, yeah, like cash money over here.
I'm just trying to trade like you, G. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to trade like you.
I'm not up for no more.
Wait, hold on. The first you tell me, hey, you could do 4, Moose. You could do 4.
At your own risk. How long ago was that? 10
minutes.
and now he's like,
How long
hell
ago
no.
was that?
Hell no.
No.
I'm like, you know, this
Well,
is really good.
You really should blame Duane because I'm looking at his. Is that 4?
I don't know why you're blaming me.
The blame game.
Duane,
I do not tell you guys how many contracts to trade. You click your own button.
Hold on. Duane doesn't tell us how many contracts, but he's like, I see the market going down 5,400. What the hell? What happened? 16 contracts. He doesn't tell us. to do it, but he's like, hey guys, 5,400 in 0.3 seconds.
Yeah. It's like one tick, and he's like, okay, I'm
That's
good.
what 4. But I think that's what 4. That's what 4 contracts go.
Well, I call it out, people. First off,
You 16 contracts? That's 50 grand.
well, I do call it out. I'm like, oh, here's a bear flag. If we break below the line, I'm taking a short. That's what I say.
Do you really say that, or you only? No,
No,
he does. He does.
He says if it breaks below the line, he already jumped in at that point.
Yeah. He's already done. You see that trade that I took? You would have known.
That's why I had to turn my volume down so you guys don't hear the order filled. You know what I'm saying? Like,
He's like,
Order
you guys lagged. You guys lagged.
Order bill.
Okay.
all right. The market makers may be trying to help me out here. I need them to hold this price up so I can jump in on this flag. I only got 3 more minutes.
Oh my, this thing is going down.
Market makers, you're supposed to be listening. Hold the price up. Thank you.
No,
Like,
I'm sorry, Duane.
Yo, that was a deep drop right there, man.
But now we got the big old wick on top. Like, on bottom, I meant. On bottom.
Yeah, it's like we're on top.
They pushing it up.
We're back up.
Duane's standing on his head.
Back above the VWAP and everything.
The 1 minute has a big wick on the bottom for sure.
I may be hung over from all that sparkling water from last night from the Traders Hangout, so who knows?
Sparkling water.
I said the same thing. Sparkling.
Yeah, it's about the Stoli sparkling water.
Oh. 2 more minutes. Come on, let's go.
I know, like I'm itchy. My face. Hold on, let me turn my mouse off.
Look at the way that's grip.
That's a prop. That's his son's mouse. This other one is blue.
Let it out, Duane. Let it out. Get those clicks in.
Clickety clack.
You got it. Yeah, I see that. You see the 5 minute?
I'm looking at the 5.
Oh.
What is that
5
dude's name?
minute?
What is the dude's name from, I think, Chicago?
Huh?
The guy from Chicago. He used to jump on the Zoom.
Guy from Chicago. Not sure who's from Chicago.
Or Detroit.
Detroit, that's Andre.
Oh, that is Andre. Okay.
Yeah, he's in the chat. He's in the chat.
He's here?
Yeah, he's on the YouTube chat.
On the YouTube chat. Oh, okay. I thought he was in the Zoom.
No, he could. He be coming in the Zoom sometimes.
Yeah, but I hadn't heard him. That's why I didn't hear him yesterday. So I asked. That's why I asked about him.
I guess he like the YouTube chat better.
Well, you can focus a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? You're not talking. You're just hyper focused on the charts. And then you just like chat, like say something in the chat, go back to the market, and keep.
You could use the chat time to look away from the charts too, keep you out of a trade.
Yep.
You gotta say something.
Alrighty. Here we go. 9:45 is coming up here.
5 seconds.
Order bill.
No, it's not going to be that quick. It's not going to be that quick. Alrighty, so now, just trying to get a 9:46 now. That's when the full range is fully set.
Like
But I mastered myself today. I waited the first 15 minutes.
He's so proud of himself.
I am proud of myself because it's baby steps. Baby steps.
Go back up.
We popped out. We're going to be popping out. I'm trying to wait 20 more seconds here for this range to be fully completed. There's going to be plenty for you, sir. There'll be plenty of plays for you to take.
Come on, look at that bounce.
All right, so the 15-minute range is fully completed now, gentlemen. We have not broken out yet. It just completed. The low for that 15-minute range, 545.25, 545.25.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And the top is 25, 650, 75, somewhere like that.
The top is up at I would say 650 even.
Okay. Everybody get it like within a tick. I'm good.
Yeah. So we pretty much got a 100-point range.
So we're not gonna diddle in that middle.
Are we gonna break out here? All right, so we just broke out of that 15. Right back into it. That's normal. Oh, that's crazy. That's dirty right there. I closed at 320. It pulled back slightly, put me in the red, $80. That's crazy. Craziness.
I think it's gonna bounce. I think it's gonna bounce back up.
I'm waiting for that bounce.
First target to the low side, 492.
I'm so annoyed. Should have taken that when I saw it. Sorry, I'm gonna wait for a retrace or run this shit down.
Going down.
Went down.
I wanted to go
Going
up.
down.
I wanted to go up and then go down.
Like Duane says the same thing. He would like to see a flag.
I definitely want to see a flag here.
Duane is formally requesting an A++ setup with momentum.
With momentum. With momentum.
Oh my God, she's going. I'll take that 460 right there.
Like a magnum.
Shit, I'm so mad right now.
All right, just clean that up. Quick $200 in the green now. So I'm just going to rotate to the next funded account.
So annoyed. Why did I sleep on this?
Let's see.
I just didn't want to get caught up at the bottom of the candle in case it retraced. And it's crazy because I see it. I saw it coming down, and I still got scared. Little bitch.
All right, so we pushed down through that first target. Last night we came all the way. I forget how far. Let me double check. For the overnight session, the overnight low was 25,383. 25,383.
Oh, she's dropping.
I'm waiting for a flag here.
Yeah, a flag would be nice so you're not caught on the bottom.
Yep, don't want to get caught on the bottom. Trust me. You don't want to get caught in the bounce.
I don't need to trust you. That's happened to me before more times than I want to admit.
This happened to every trader.
You don't go chasing it. Because a G just makes it happen.
We got the second target coming up.
What is that?
It is at 440.25. 440.25. Second target. I would like some type of a push up to build out a bear flag.
Yeah, doing your push-ups is good, Dwayne.
Let's see if the Bulls could start building out a little bear flag for us. Because I want that confirmation. Right now, we're just like...
Well, the 1 minute is showing some promise if it holds. I know that you like the higher frames, but...
Yeah, looking at that 1 minute right there.
I mean, if it will hold, that'd be nice.
Boy. Oh, my.
I love Happy G over there. Just like, it's great, man.
Damn.
$720 on this account. Building out that, trying to build that bear flag. What do we know for a bear flag? The market has to push up slightly before we come down. So me knowing that, I took the push up slightly, and we'll take it. We'll take it. Rotating to the next funded account. Uh, 384. Let me find it. Let me find it here. All right. Just rotate to the next one. We're starting to get a little bear flag on the 1 minute. Yeah, that second target's calling. That second target's calling, boys.
What about the 420?
440 area. 440 area.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna try chasing this one right now because let's hit that second target and then we'll go from there. Because we got a pivot point below us. Pivot point below us, 391.50. 391.50, gentlemen. Oh, Nelly. Oh, boy. Hold on. I need to turn my mouse off for a second. This is what I'm going to start doing when I'm getting too excited. I'm just going to turn my mouse off and click it.
Dude, can I tell the secret to the people at home? That's like a broken mouse from last year. He just holds it up so you pretend.
Yep. I'm actually trading with my mouse with my feet, believe it or not.
Yeah,
This is the decoy. This is the decoy mouse.
You know, there's certain things you can't unsee.
That's right, Woody. Oh, Nelly. Oh, boy. You know what I'm saying? Today's a great day. We making some monies. Up over 900 bucks so far. It hasn't even been 30 minutes. It hasn't even been 15 minutes trading in the markets yet. What else can we do where we could literally make almost a G in 15 minutes?
Cash money, baby.
Yeah, I love the community as well. I love G in the background. Oh my God. like those ad libs, they make the stream so much better. Not gonna lie. And guys, yesterday for the overnight session, the market was coming down just like this. And I was not trading. So I feel a whole lot better now that I am trading. Because man, oh man, you could ask everyone that was on the stream last night, I was itching to trade on Tradeovate last night. But we don't do that. You know what I'm saying? We don't do that.
Maybe we do, maybe we don't. But look, there's a flag possibly on the 2 minute if it closes right.
Looking at the 2 minute, we popped up above that second target. So my next target that I'm looking for is the pivot point below us, since we know that acts as a magnet.
So that's 392, right?
It's right at Yeah, pretty much 392. On mine is 391.50. But I'll wait to take another short after we get through the second target. Want to see if we build out a flag down here because we have not had a flag repeat yet on the higher time frames. So I want us to get a flag on one of these higher time frames to take us lower. On the 1 minute, that flag's trying to pay right there. I just want, is it too much to ask for it to be on a higher time frame? Like, man.
The money's still the same, baby.
No, I know. It just gives me an extra level of confidence in the flag. But this is just straight waterfall in here. Coming down to the low. Come on. Push us down a little bit more.
Oh, let's see.
We keep stalling right there.
There's a trend line that's on my chart that's right there on the 2 minute.
Just got stopped out on that slight push up right there. Luckily, on my accounts, if I lose $1,200, I get stopped out completely. But watch, it's going to pop up and we're going to start going down. So let me rotate to the other funded account. And that's dirty. That's dirty. Because we're going to come on down.
Well, maybe we'll be able to get a breath and get that flag on a higher time frame.
Looking at the 2 minute right there, we still got that wick for the selling pressure. Just gonna wait here just so we could get some. Oh, clicking too many times. Clicking too many times.
I love when that happens. You're like, yeah, I don't need to change the color of my line. Get out. It's always like you say, and you're like really in the chart. You're like, why? You got that? It's coming up on that whole number too, so that could be part of it.
Yep. That 400. Good call out, Steve. Let's see if we get some structure here for a flag. And we definitely want to get through that four. There we go. There we go. Wow. A swipe straight through the 400 right there.
And came right back up.
Alrighty. I got my third target right below this pivot point, sitting at 387.75.
I have a close at 383.
Okay. Let me see. Where's my mouse?
And the 368 is the box. Hey, G, is that what you got on the box? Is 368? Thereabouts.
The what?
So on the box, 368 in that area.
It's under. I did yesterday's previous high and low on that box. So it's way below that box though. You have that on yours too?
Yeah, I mean, I just when I refreshed it, it was like 368. So that's what I was looking at. But
Okay.
it just I'll keep an eye on it.
Okay. But it's below it though. But normally it's supposed to like come back up, but it's not doing it.
Come on, Bessie. Show us something here. Show us something. Dre made over $13,000 this week. Well, congratulations, sir.
All right, good job.
That's a solid week. That's a solid week. More power to you. You're on the charts way more than me. I can't do it that long. After the morning sessions, like, that's it. Look how tight these candles are on the 2 minute. Just look at this.
Oh yeah. The shooting star.
All right, slightly pushing up here. I'll probably wait to see how we react off the second target that we already passed through. There we go. We just pushed through that second target. I want to see if we use the second target as some support to take us higher. My water guy must be here because I hear a lot of commotion outside.
What? Are you getting the 5-gallon glass one?
We put the order in. Hopefully they're dropping it today because when they dropped the Zephyr Hills last time, they did not tell us they only had Zephyr Hills. They just dropped it and left. Like, didn't say nothing.
Up she goes.
You're going to get it, dude. You'll become a full-time trader in no time. If you did 13K this week, just duplicate that each and every week. Trust me, that's more than enough to be a full-time trader.
I'd say.
Let's see. Looking at these raincoats right here, I feel like we're going to consolidate up here slightly before the next push.
Yeah, it's consolidating behind your picture.
Huh?
Well, like, no, I mean you can't because your smiling face is blocking part of your wrinkles, and that's where it's consolidating.
Oh, I didn't know I was blocking the rincos.
Well, just a little bit. It's no big deal. Do you need me to take a picture to show you what it looks like?
No, I got it. I can see it.
You see most of it just on the very edge.
what I could do for that one.
Dwayne is shrinking. Now he could go on the zip line.
Now the zip line's strong enough.
They have like a scale right there to weigh you.
They do not, but I'm not trying to lie in another country and then something bad happened. Like, that's how I think. It's not worth me trying to lie. Yeah, I'm under 300. I go on the zip line, that bad boy just like does not work for me.
You know, no, we would not want that. My friend.
I think none of us will want that, including myself. So
Yeah, I would hope that you would be the first. I mean, you'd be an advocate for yourself. I believe that.
all right, I feel like we're going to possibly come up to that first target. This is the retracement, Moose.
Yes.
Well,
That's what I've been waiting for.
On the 1 minute, it just crossed through the order flow 21 EMA.
That we did.
Come up.
Ah, that's twice today. I closed at 360 right there, lost $100. That's craziness.
Don't worry. I went to close at 200 and I was down $15. I was like, what the fuck? How that happen? That little spread earlier.
You have to pay to play, Job Turkey.
Yeah, job turkey. How much time do we have left in this 15? Oh, we got time. 7 minutes.
What's it looking like to you, Moose?
I think it's gonna come up to. It probably touches the VWAP.
I'm done. I can't do this anymore. I'm switching to my evals. I just closed, gentlemen. I just closed at $880. I only got 420 of it.
420, baby. Every stoner in America is happy about that.
Well, I'm not a stoner,
5-minute EMA.
so but 420, we'll take it.
Look, I know you're not a stoner, and I know, but I do know that you drink more sparkling water than the Frenchman, so everything's equal.
That I do. Actually, I'm gonna switch over to my 150K select account and start working on this one because I have not really traded it yet. Where's it at? There we go. Because on this account, I want to grow this account. Well, I had to get it passed first because I currently have 4 fundeds with Tradeify, and I'm not trying to. What was that?
Sorry. And you don't have a dog? Damn, these dogs be passing gas.
Coming all the way back up to the 15-minute range, it's looking like it wants to do.
God, yo. Sorry. Yo, he literally stood me off my chair, yo. Like, what the hell?
Like Moose is like talking about a dog farting, and we're trying to like watch the charts.
Yeah, we're just trying to trade. He's like, dogs farting. Alexa, Febreze.
I don't know what this guy's eating, yo. Yo, it hit me right in the nose. Like, what the fuck? Yo, I swear to God, I literally stood off my chair. Like, what is this? This guy's rotten.
You thought your neighbor buried a corpse in the wall.
I swear. I'm not even joking. This is terrible.
We're creeping up to that VWAP.
Yup.
We're gonna build a flag for Dwayne because he's in a trade. So since Dwayne's in a trade, we're gonna build the flag right now.
Well, that's horrible.
But then it's gonna spring up and it's gonna go beyond his wildest dreams.
From your lips to God's ears. Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Pin. You got 5 seconds on the 1 minute, and maybe we're gonna. Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
I'm getting ready to kill this one. This is a eval. This is not a funded account, people. That's why my forehead's not glistening. I'm done trading my funded accounts for today. Put some money in them. Lost money in only one of the 4 that I traded for my funded today. And we're going to keep it moving. I'm targeting the low of the 15-minute range.
I finally made back my money. I was down like $50. I'm at 144. Can you believe this? I should have stayed in. Look at this. I'm going past the VWAP. Oh my God. Someone said earlier, there's not one time that you look at a chart and say, damn, I should have done this. I should have kept in.
Yeah, trading's always, hindsight's always 20/20 when it comes to trading.
I know.
I accidentally clicked my button, but we oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
But we gotta see how this 15 respects the VWAP right now. Okay. Is it?
I don't know if that was a bless you or like you were upset at your screen there. Like
It was like
He
a
fell
cough
off the-
sneeze.
He fell off the chair because of the dog did it again.
Oh, we got a pivot point above us. Up at 596. 596 for the pivot point above us. At this point, for me, I'm gonna wait for a flag. Well, actually, I'll rotate to another account.
I'd like to see a flag too because it's kind of meandering a little bit.
It's crazy that today's already Thursday. This week has been flying by for me. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. How's everyone feeling in the chat today? Legacy's over here just crushing it, winning today. How's everyone feeling? I know Dre's up 13 grand for the day. Woody's making some money as well. Like, is everyone feeling good today?
Yo, where's Mr. Tom Ford?
He wasn't going to be able to get on today. He had a late night last night. He was on the stream with me last night.
He was out dancing.
He was out dancing. But he was handling some personal stuff. He let me know last night that he most likely wasn't going to be on the stream today.
Let me tell you, that kid knows, he knows his stuff. Like the way he was telling me and talking, like he knows what he's talking about.
He's been he's only 23. He's been trading since he was like 17.
Yeah, you know, he's got it.
Yep, he's definitely a good add to the community.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
You add that, it's like
Absolutely.
it's like adding some extra onions to the fajita, man.
Yep. And then we also added a JR to the community last night as well. He's a trader from Cali. He's been trading since he was 19. So he's been trading now for the past like 7 years or 6-7 years. So adding some really good people. adding some really good people to the community. I'm excited for it.
And I'd like to give a shout out to G and Moose, and then also the man himself.
Well, appreciate the shout out. Appreciate the shout out.
Carmona and Cash Money too.
I wanna catch one. You know, I was listening to Cash Money yesterday. I get in my moods, right? Like today, this morning, I was listening to country.
Gentlemen, I'm gonna have to cut you off, Moose.
What?
Mr. Carmona, how you sneaking in here and not say hello, sir? That's craziness. What's up, dude? I guess Jose doesn't want to talk to me right now.
He's muted.
No, I just had to unmute it. I'm currently working, so I can't drive and be on my phone. But I'm learning about this before I set up my Tradeify account that I inquired about last night. So I'm just learning everything before I even jump in.
No, of course. In the community, go to the vault. That shows my full strategy.
Right. I went through that last night, and I wanted to set up. I got the Ninja Trader, everything set up, but just wanted to make sure before I made an account that I have an understanding so I could just jump in and be on top like you guys are right now.
No, 100%, dude. And for everyone in the back of the class, me and Jose, we've known each other since we were young men. Can't say boys because since we were young men, you know what I'm saying? We went to school together. So we've known each other for a very, very long time. So glad you're joining, dude. I'm excited for you. And we're going to get you running so you could be making this money as well.
That's awesome. I knew you since you were a young man too, Duane.
That you did. I'm not taking that away from you, Steve. Not taking that away from you.
No, it's just there's a lot of people that know that have a legacy memory of you.
That's why I named it the Legacy Wealth Society. No.
That'd be kind of scary. I'm looking at the 1 and the 2, looking like there might be our friend the bull might be stepping up with a flag. I don't know about momentum though.
Yeah, we had this flag right here. That one, but that's on the 1 minute. I know I like the higher ones, but
I know. Look at the 2 minute.
I'm looking at the 2. Yeah, let's just see because we got that pivot point above us.
Yo, the 1 hour is right at the EMA. So it might retrace a little bit right here.
I'm gonna start cycling through to come down on the higher time frames.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait till this 15 closes above the EMA.
Yeah, I just want to see a flag at this point for me personally. Because no reason to risk it. You know what I'm saying? We've already made some money a day.
More money, more money, more money, more money. John.
Yes, more money for sure. So currently green in 5 of the, how many accounts did I trade? Yeah, currently green in 4 of the 5 accounts I traded. I'm going to trade this account as well to get this one passed. I'm done trading my fundeds for the day. I put money in all of them except one. So we live to fight another day, and the one I took a losing trade in. But that's not bad odds, though, if you think about it.
I'm not thinking. I'm just clicking.
At 5 trades, you hit on 4 of them. That's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, we're coming for that pivot. I feel that pivot got to get touched. I got a meeting later today. Wait, don't forget that. That'll be bad. Yeah, that pivot's calling. It's calling collect right now. Woody 6 of 8. We'll take that, dude. Woody, before you joined the community and been getting on these streams, were you hitting like that? That's the question. All right, coming right up to that pivot point. It's almost like someone said we're going to touch that pivot. Oops. Well, there we go. Through the pivot. And now we're at the middle of the 15-minute range. So
At the middle, but we also had a whole number, so keep that in mind.
good call on the whole number. I wasn't even looking at the price.
It just the reason I call that out is that's got me more than once, where it's like everything else is set up, and then you go in and you look, and it's
No. Checking my calendar here on my email because I got a meeting. Okay, it's a 3 p.m. call. Well, Woody, I'm glad that the community and these streams have been helping you where you got your numbers up like that. So Woody, he's a member of the Legacy Wealth Society, a newer member at that. He's on the Traders Hangouts like every single night pretty much. He's up 6 out of 8 trades for the day. So he won on 6 of them. That's not a bad day. And the best part about this, guys, at the end of the day, you just stack it each and every day. Because if you do that, Woody, every single day, you trade 8 trades and you win on 6 of them every single day, you're going to be set. And for me, since I'm rotating my accounts, I'm not putting one account at risk for multiple trades. You know what I'm saying? Like today I did trade like one of the accounts or 2 of them actually twice, only because of the slippage. But once I make money in them, I just rotate to the next one. I want to see a flag. Is that too much to ask for? We've had no flags on the 5-minute.
it's a flag-free zone.
Where's my mouse? There we go. Yeah. Just stay consistent, dude, and you're going to get it. Like I was preaching last night on the stream, gentlemen, on the Zoom call. I was preaching, don't swing for the fence. Base hits. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get the consistent payouts. Base hits. Because we all swing and we miss sometimes. That's real. But when you're just focused on getting on base each and every day, that's what gets you to the payout. Just saying. Just saying. Right now with the market, my next target would be the high of that 15-minute range. Since we cleared the middle of the 15-minute range, we cleared that pivot point, and we're above the VWAP and 21 EMA, my next stop would be the high of that 15 because we have not tested it yet because we were selling off right at market open today. So
That'd be a good thing to go is hit through there, get out, run it up, everybody make 10 grand, and then we go home. Or if we are home, we're done.
that sounds like a great plan.
It's not pretty, but it's presenting on the 1 minute. 2 minute looking good. Let's make it happen. Looks like it's going to touch that pivot point.
Yeah, let's see if we get a flag. I need the flag.
Well, the 2 minute printed something. 5 minutes looking fresh, but it's real early in the process.
Yep. So we're just waiting. We're patient. We're being patient. There's no rush of trading. We rush it. Oh, we're getting ready to tap that yellow line. Let's see if we get through it here. We do have a previous wick up at 630. 630.50. We got a strong wick over there on a previous candle. So I may want to clear that wick before I want to go long. Come on, Betsy. Come on. You can do it, girl. Want to clear that previous wick. That 630 wick I want to clear.
I took a picture of that, the cage, the trap.
Yeah.
So I could show it to you because you were curious about it.
Yeah, the one that you trap your annoying neighbors in.
Well, I mean, it's just like it'll trap everything.
Like, we're slowly creeping up here. I want to pop that 630 level.
Just need to go up 20 more with a flag. Just build up, hit out the top. We'll make the 10 grand, and then we talk about something else.
Yeah, pretty much. Light work, simple day. Just make 10 grand, and then we talk about something else. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Yep. We still have not cleared that 630. That 630. I want to get above that before I go long. Because this is what I don't want happening. I don't want us to sell off if I'm trying to go long. You know what I'm saying? So
I see what you're saying.
That's just me. That's just me, though. Well, coming down to the middle of that 15-minute range right there.
But look at the 5-minute. That's promising.
The 5-minute is promising. You just got to have the patience to wait for the flag. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. Tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to vibe up. We've been crushing the views, crushing just everything on the YouTube streams. So appreciate everyone that's been tuning in for that. It's fun meeting a lot of like-minded individuals and just having a good conversation with you guys. We had people in the chat from last night, from Nigeria. We had people from everywhere last night. Let's see if we're building out this bull flag. If we start to fall down, we're going to go down to that 21 in VWAP. Because that's the magnet below us. That's the magnet below us.
Might be news in the market because the way it's bouncing up and down. Look at the way it's moving down.
No, I see that.
Let me see. Let me go to my Forex factory. Where is it? At 52,000 screens, I can't find my damn page. Oh, there it goes.
We're
Yeah,
consolidating right now.
30. I mean, it's just natural gas, nothing crazy, but it does have a little bit of a influx.
You and you're talking about natural gas and your dog.
That's hilarious. That's
Following me
hilarious.
today. Jesus. I turn on my diffuser. I don't know what the hell this guy eats, man. Oh, we're going back down. Oh yeah. Oh,
There we go. Sorry to get that wick on that 5-minute candle. Want the flag portion going this direction before the pop up.
He's, Duane, seriously, he actually put the doodle on the bottom. That means that he's really just waiting. Respect.
That's all we can do, man. I'm not rushing anymore.
I never seen you do that I haven't seen you do that for 3 months. Putting the bottom, except if you're like training somebody or mention it, but it's to actually do that. That's amazing.
Well, I realize as well, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is a learning process for me, you know what I'm saying? Woody, don't be laughing, dude. Don't be laughing at me, sir. I'm trying to draw more on the charts. So for everyone watching the streams, for you guys, so you guys can see it. Because I realize just because my eyes can pick it up, that's not helping you guys.
Listen, you have ears to hear.
That I do. I can hear you with my ears. That's correct. And for the traders hangouts, since I'm not trading, I'm able to talk more about the charts since I'm not in the market. You know what I'm saying? No. So I draw the flags during the traders hangouts, and I give my little 2 cents on what I think the market's doing, everything like that, while we're hanging out at night. On the 2-minute, look at that flag trying to play. That small.
Oh no.
No.
Your dog farted again?
No. No, I moved the indicator. I thought I had messed up, but I did it. I looked at the wrong time frame. I was looking at the week. Jesus.
That's going deep.
I know. Imagine I would have put off that. Jesus Christ. So we're on top of the daily EMA right now. About to drop below it though. Right before I went down. A little bit. I think we're gonna drive down.
Just got stopped out. I took a stab. That's an eval. Just took a quick little stab. Thought we were going to get more push. We popped above that pivot.
Oh man.
And I was going to ride it all the way up to the promised land. But didn't go that way right there. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? 061 0061. Oh, where's my wrinkles? There we go. And that part should have had a little bit more patience. Where to next, Dr. Duane? No doctor. Right now, just waiting to see if we get this flag on the 5-minute chart. And that's all we're doing. We're patiently waiting. all we can do. Yeah, actually, to be honest with you, I like how I'm doing it now, where I trade the funded accounts first and then play with the evals. So that way I'm not messing up my mojo for the funded. All right, there's that 21 EMA tab.
We're gonna test that VWAP.
Oh, it's looking like it. We're holding right here on this 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. All right, so right now that flag on the 2-minute would have been disqualified. All right, through the VWAP, coming down to the bottom of that 15-minute range as well. Let's look at some higher time frames. Did anyone trade FOMC yesterday?
No, I was out.
Smart man, smart man. You have to make yourself go out on those days because
I was like, yeah, I went out and I looked at it when you like checked up later on, but I was just like, I'm good.
yeah.
Because for me anyway, like respect to anybody that can sit and do it for like all day or whatever, but I like to get in, like be sharp, hit it, and then come back the next day.
Yeah. I'm right there with you. And even when I'm on the charts at night, like I am tempted sometimes, but it's not enough movement to make me truly want to trade.
Well, for me, it's like one of those things. I've done it and I've been profitable in the past, but it's like, you know, the longer you're on, it's like the more, at least me personally,
The more you're at risk.
For too long, I'm just ready to jump in. I'm like, oh, this one's it.
Yeah.
Because it's like,
all right, we're coming up to 10:40. I'm gonna be having to get off the stream today right at 11.
Yeah, we've heard that before.
Hey, I gotta finish the last Mexico vlog. I did everything yesterday. I gotta do one voiceover on it, and I'm pushing that out today. So
remember what I said about the voiceovers?
Yeah, with the audio, the faded in, faded. I got you, sir. I got you.
And if you're doing a voiceover and you want to match, like do your mic placement about the same as you would do like in that environment. So you're wearing like a lavalier that's like clipped to your shirt. And if you're like inside, go to like an area that's roughly the same kind of size to get a little natural reverb. That's the closer you fake it, the less you have to tweak it.
Yeah.
And then just try to get that level, and then you're in business, man. You don't even need me anymore. My goodness.
No, we'll always need you, Steve. Okay, we'll always need your expertise, your advice, everything. The words of wisdom. You know what I'm saying?
The words of wisdom.
All right. So on this 2-minute, small little, if we could say that, a bear flag right there.
Yeah, but it's like it's propping on the.
On that VWAP. Coming right. All right, there we go. Popping out of the low of the 15-minute range. Well, if we're going to start going downtown, we're going to go downtown. You know what I'm saying? Like,
you can just see that wick. As soon as it popped out, it's trying to push back.
Let's see what we get here. Patient, being patient here. I mean, no, I'm honestly, if I don't see any strong moves, I'm probably done actually taking trades. I put money in the fundeds, and that's all that I care about at the end of the day.
You care about more than that. You love your family too.
Oh, I do love my family too, 100%. And I love you guys. I love all you guys.
Well, we love you as well.
You know, you guys come to watch some strange dude day trade.
You could say that again.
Oh, I already know. Woody told me last night. He's like, yo, I just almost like knocked my whole desk over. That's scary. Anyways. Woody's just over there laughing up a storm a day. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Have you settled on a format on YouTube? Like if you're having people, if I'm inviting people to watch your stream, do you like the vertical or the normal stream better? Like, or is it just a judgment thing for them?
It's a judgment thing for them. That's why we have both. So that way, because I noticed, because looking at the analytics on my YouTube, a lot of people were watching from their phone.
Yeah.
From a mobile device. You know what I'm saying? So for me, if people are watching more on mobile, that's why we started doing the vertical stream as well.
Well, that makes sense.
Since that's how people are watching.
Especially, well, if you're trading, you don't want to be like tying up computer space for the most part. You could just like have your phone on the side.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to do where the people are at. Put it that way.
That's
you know.
Right.
And it's been working. It's been working. Just yesterday alone, let me check my stats. Let's see here. Oh, where's it at? Scrolling. So just yesterday, a 24-hour period of time, the channel added 51 hours of watch time. That's crazy. Like, we're literally performing as if we have 7,000 to 15,000 subscribers.
We do, they just don't know it.
Oh,
That's right.
They're going to know it soon because it's constantly growing. So, yeah, I'm trying to stay consistent across the board with everything. Because I'm just going to outwork people. That's it. I don't care if someone said, oh, there's so many day traders and stuff on YouTube. Yeah, but are they consistent enough? You know.
I think the main thing that you have is there's an honesty there. And there's like a lot of people that are honest, don't get me wrong, but there's like a core there's a core experiment or experience behind it to like better people legitimately. It's not just about it's not a bunch of like young Turks running around saying, I made 10K, I made 11K, so you suck. You know what I mean? It's everybody's building.
Yeah.
Genuine nature to this.
Yeah. I just want to see all you guys win because I know what trading can do for everybody. Because it's been doing it for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, so if it's done it for me, I know it can do it for you.
So it's kind of fascinating to hear yesterday when you were talking about how you were saying thought it was a scam at first, and then Cameron, God bless him, got you back into it, and then you like put your mind to it to like push through it, and that's the tenacity.
Well, back in 22, it definitely felt like trading was a scam when I lost the 10K. But last year, I was already like on the fence about dabbling back into trading. And then when me and my brother met up, because we took our kids to a trampoline park, and it was right by his house, so he just jumped over and hang out with us. And we were talking, and he was talking about prop firms, which I never looked into or anything like that previously. he told me about. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try it. You know what I'm saying? Because what's the worst that's going to happen? It's not going to work. Okay. Like if I don't do anything, it's not going to work. So that was my thought process, and started with Apex. You know, trying to learn how to trade, everything like that. And then I figured out the system that I use and put it together. And it's been on and popping ever since. All right. Got that bear flag. That's a beautiful looking bear flag right there on the 2 minute. Want to get through that yellow line. I want to get through that yellow line with some momentum.
It's like that candle needs to open below that 15-minute range.
Yep. We got about 30 more seconds, 30 seconds left on this 2 minute candle. We're pushing through that yellow line. I want to clear that previous wick.
It's like putting its toe in the water. Brr, brr.
That, yo, I gotta stop. I just closed at like 120, 180. Got $60.
Damn, did he say 2000?
No.
I heard I closed at 2000. God damn. It's hit a million.
Too much slippage for me. I'm done. That was my last little stab just to like do something. To say I clicked the button since we are streaming.
I'm up 652 for the day.
We're coming down to that first target. Wait, how much are you up, Moose?
652.
Well, six. Good job, dude. Make sure you guys are putting everything in the discussion, because last night I'm gonna be posting y'all's wins, because I jumped on last night during the stream for the Traders Hangout, and I saw some of y'all's wins. Congratulations.
I should have stayed in.
I saw G's post yesterday, 1370, craziness. Then Dre with his couple hundred. I didn't add it up, but the man made some money yesterday in his personal funded account. And he was actually trading the 4X.
I gotta cut it short though. I have somebody coming by.
All right, sir. Well, have a great rest of your day, sir.
Yeah, take it easy, Moose.
All right, guys. Talk to you later.
And Woody's still laughing. Bro, what is so funny? I gotta know. You're just laughing over here. I know you're winning too. You don't have to laugh at me because I only made $60 on that trade. It was 2 clicks of a button. Like $60 a click a button. I'll do that all day long. All right, we're through that first target. Let's see, we build a flag. Bro. At least he said bro that time. At least he said bro. You know what I'm saying? Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go get, what can I get with $60? You know what I'm saying?
An appetizer.
Oh, that's an expensive appetizer for $60. Like, just saying. It better be a pretty hefty appetizer for 60. Still coming on down.
The latency is horrible.
Yeah, that's why I'm not even trying to stab at it again, because the slippage today, I do not like. because that's dangerous. You know what I'm saying? Like at the end of the day, because I had one trade, I was up 880. I closed it, got 420.
Yeah,
Then another trade I took, I was up 360. I closed and only got like $100 or something like that on it. Like that's a lot of slippage in a small time frame.
I was up above, like up above 100 on just like a short scalp. I closed it and it was finished in the red. I'm like,
Yep, that was 2 of my trades a day. I gotta hit the gym today too. I'm excited for that. Today's back day. Yesterday, I straight up destroyed my chest and tries. I loved it. You know, had grabbed some dumbbells yesterday in the gym, and just like throw them around. And I love when people watch you work out. It's like the funniest thing to me. Where like there was like people like in front of like the heavier dumbbells, like in front of those benches. So I would have to walk all the way over, grab them, walk all the way back to where I was at to use them. And every time I walk over, this dude that was like, he was pushing good weight for his size. He was pushing like the hundreds or something like that for his max reps. And he was just eyeballing me so hard. I'm like, dude, it's not that. I'm not trying to compete with you. You do you, I'm gonna do me. You know what I'm saying?
well, people like train for different things too. You know what I mean? So it's like,
No, 100. He was a Marine. He was a Marine. Now I only know that because he had the Marine shirt on. So. Oh, we got a basketball game for Golden State tonight. That's gonna be a good night. Go destroy back day. Have my meeting. Pick up all these kids. And then just relax. We'll take that. And the music stopped. We already went through 2 playlists today. That's craziness. All right, so we're slightly pushing up here on the 2-minute. Slightly, we're above that first target.
it could be as soon as I say it, it won't be, but it could be a bear flag if it doesn't slip, but it was slipping in the middle of a sentence. 20 seconds for it to close green though. Look at that wick, man.
Got it on the 5-minute. That's a strong wick on the 5.
That's exactly what I'm talking about. Whole number time.
For all the people on the YouTube chat, welcome to the live trading session where you get to see me win, you get to see me lose, and you get a laugh just like Woody in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Welcome. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Tonight, for everyone that's new, tonight we're having the Traders Hangout. Not going to be trading. I will have some charts pulled up. Won't be trading. We're just going to be talking and vibing with like-minded traders about how to win at trading and just about life in general. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you tonight for that. We got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes for 11 o'clock here. Just waiting. I'm done trading today. Put some money in some funded accounts. That's all we can ask for. I keep having to remind myself.
Hangout is gonna be on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's going to be on the YouTube channel. And I'll be streaming from 9:30 p.m. till about midnight.
And he sits out by his fire pit. It's kind of exciting.
Hey, if you.
No, I mean that's like a great setup, man. That's what I meant. It's like to be able to chill outside. Like I actually have like the traditional fire pit where I split the wood.
Yeah.
Like redneck style, but it's always a good feeling to be outside and with the fire going and stuff.
Yep, and everyone on that night stream, they love it because we've been getting crazy views on that hangout. So everyone's been loving it. I love when people come in the chat though, and they try telling me it's a green screen.
Yeah, it's like, oh, you live in a green screen.
So I get up. I'm like, oh, it's a green screen. Okay. And I walk behind. Oh, I can't walk past right here. It's the green screen. So I take that as a compliment. When people say it's a green screen, that must mean you got something nice. Yes, sir. Cash money, baby. All day long. That's all we doing. Trying to make some money. So, looking at this, 85,000 views in the last 28 days. Not bad. Not too shabby. I will say, and thank you for everyone that does tune in on the YouTube streams. Thank you for all the interaction you guys do in the chats with me and with the other people in the chat. I think that's awesome. I think it's awesome. Especially Millionaire. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's awesome in the chat. He always making that cash money.
Money.
Alrighty, gentlemen. Well, right now, we already know what's going to happen, right? We're coming up to 11 o'clock. As soon as I shut my stream off, the market's going to go crazy.
Yeah, but you said, and don't quote me if I'm wrong. You want to see where it goes after the top of the hour.
Okay, I will give it till 11:02. That's as far as I'm getting, Steve. 11:02. I'll wait to see what happens.
I'm gonna tell Jimmy T on you.
Go ahead, tell Jimmy T. I ain't worried. I am not worried about Jimmy T. Jose, do you have any questions or anything like that? I know you're working. If you do,
I got lots of questions. I'm just gonna tune into the YouTube and I'll further my questions there if I have any.
Okay.
But I just I wanted to know the three charts. I see the 5 minute, the 2 minute, and what's the top one?
Those are Rinko bars.
Rinko bars. Okay.
Yep. And we should have the link in the community so you could download and import these Rinko bars.
Okay.
Yeah, the ones in the link are actually the next generation than what Duane has. So it actually does a little bit more than his. Like it shows volume sometimes, and his doesn't.
That's good to know.
Yeah. So it's like 99% of the time, or 95% of the time, it's locked on him. And then when it goes crazy, it's like the bars change size on this, and it shows the flow. Man, Duane, look at you can see on the 1 and the 2.
Yeah, crazy. That's a crazy candle right there.
And then the close of the previous 2 minute, man. Come on.
Well, it's 11:01 here. So that was something did happen. Just didn't do a lot. You know what I'm saying? Just didn't do a lot.
Oh, your win-loss ratio, and it was 0. I'm like, what? The thing wasn't populating. So I was like,
Okay. Yeah, so if that ever happened, that was on Tradeify's journal, I'm assuming.
yeah.
So click the wheel on the top left. It'll sync your journal. So every time you go in, just always tap that, and then you'll refresh your page after 5 seconds, and then everything should populate.
But it was just, I saw it and it was jarring. It's like 0.0. What in the world? Hang up your spurs, boy.
Yes.
Hang up your
Yep.
spurs.
Gotta love it.
Like,
Gotta love
we
it.
don't even want your money at this point.
They're gonna give it back to you.
You win. I will actually pay you to leave.
That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. Well, all right, guys. Well, appreciate everyone tuning in on the streams. Legacy, appreciate you guys hanging out with me so we can trade live together today. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna be vibing, chilling outside in front of the fire pit. So we're gonna have fun doing that. Then for Legacy, tomorrow, directly after the stream, we'll be having our training on reading the momentum on the Renko bars and setting up, if you're trading on Tradeivate, setting up your Tradeivate platform so you can use it skillfully. So
That's awesome.
with that being said, everyone stay safe in the markets, be blessed, and don't do anything stupid. Patience, people. Be patient.
Well, I think I've done. I closed out. I'm ready to just start again tomorrow.
Yep. You're a smart man. You're a smart man, sir. Jose, G, Steve. It's always an honor, gentlemen. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to that too.
Yep. Tomorrow's going to be a good day.
Everything.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
Yeah, later.
For everyone that's still tuned in on the YouTube, like I just said, tomorrow, tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Be there or be squared. All right, gentlemen. Be blessed. Stay safe in the markets. And I will see you guys later tonight.